A quick history of gnocchi, from ancient Rome to today. Gnocchi is a type of small, soft pasta made of a variety of ingredients such as potatoes, ricotta cheese, wheat flour, and eggs. It is served with various sauces, usually tomato-based, and can be a side dish or a main course. This Italian delicacy has been around for centuries. It is believed to have originated in ancient Rome, where it was made from semolina flour, salt, and water. Later, the gnocchi recipe changed to include potatoes and became a popular meal in Italy during the 16th century. The word gnocchi is derived from the Italian word for nut, and refers to the small nut-like shape that the pasta takes. It is typically made by rolling small pieces of dough into little balls and then boiling them in salted water. Today, gnocchi is prepared in various ways, from being boiled and then served with sauces to being baked in the oven. It is a popular dish in many countries, including Italy, the United States, and Argentina. The 29th of each month is celebrated as Gnocchi Day in Argentina. At dinner, the tradition is to leave a peso coin or note under everyone's dinner plate for luck. In some parts of Italy, it is also considered good luck to eat gnocchi on Thursday. All in all, gnocchi has come a long way since its inception in ancient Rome. Now it is enjoyed all over the world and can be prepared in endless creative ways. So next time you're looking to enjoy the delicious taste of Italian cuisine, try some gnocchi.